In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an Instagram post design to a LinkedIn post size in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the process. To start, we need to ensure that we have the right tools at our disposal. First up, we'll install a handy plugin called Thumbblister. Head over to the Figma community and search for Thumbblister. Once you find it, just click Install to add it to your Figma editor. This plugin will make resizing a breeze. Once you've got the plugin installed, it's time to select your design. Open the Figma file that contains your Instagram post. Find the specific frame that you want to resize for LinkedIn. Now, here's a crucial tip. If your design is not already in a frame, you'll want to wrap it in one before we proceed. This helps in managing the elements more effectively. Also, consider duplicating the frame beforehand. This way, you'll have a backup of your original design, just in case you need to revert any changes. With your design selected and framed, we can run the Resize tool. Navigate over to the Plugins menu at the top of your Figma editor. Select Thumbblister from the list of installed plugins, and go ahead and run it. This will launch the tool, and you'll be greeted with some options. Next, we want to apply the LinkedIn dimensions. In the Thumbblister plugin, you should find an option for templates. Look for the LinkedIn post size template and select it. What's great about this tool is that it will automatically adjust the frame dimensions for you. It also takes care of scaling elements like text and images to fit the new aspect ratio, which saves you a great deal of time and hassle. After applying the new dimensions, it's essential to review the layout of your resized design. Set your zoom level to 100% to get an accurate view. Pay close attention to the headlines, make sure they aren't cut off, and check the logos to ensure they remain crisp and clear. Don't forget about the text boxes. Confirm that they've rewrapped correctly. If you notice anything that seems off, you can make minor adjustments to spacing or modify the line height to improve legibility. A well-structured post grabs more attention, especially on a professional platform like LinkedIn. Once you're satisfied with the look of your resized design, it's time to export your file. Select the LinkedIn frame you just created, and let's get it ready for sharing. You can export it from Figma as a PNG, which is typically best for designs that include text and graphics. Alternatively, you can choose to export it as a JPG, which works better for photos. When exporting, you'll see an option to set the size to either 1x or 2x. Choosing 2x will give you a sharper image, which is always a plus when it comes to visual content. And there you have it. You've successfully resized your Instagram post design for LinkedIn in Figma. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your design skills.